Welcome to Q Automated. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about grouping requests in collections and many more things about collections. So let us find out what collections are used for. So basically we can use it for organizing our workspace, collaborating with our team. We can create API documentation based on our collections. We can form our test suites and we can automate our test runs. We can schedule our test runs and we can define the workflow of our test runs with the help of collections. So what we will cover in this video is how to create a collection, different ways of creating collections, adding requests to our collections, managing collections, and use of the collections. So let's get started. So let us start with adding our collection. Let's add here and I will name it as a test collection. Okay. So we can add requests from here to the collection, or we can save the existing requests to our collection also. So select any request from existing request, click on save. You will see this test collection. Okay, and I'm saving this in the test collection. So these are the two ways you can add your request here. Apart from this, there are multiple options. Basic operations you can perform here is like you can create a fork. That means you can create a version of your collection and you can track what was happening in that version and what is the new changes in your current version. So you can versionize it with the fork and you can assign a separate label or version details to it. Next, what you can do with this is you can create a duplicate of it. So you can create a duplicate collection and you can rename it as you want. Here you can see that copy is created and your requests are also copied here. So next thing we will see here, what we can do is we can view documentation of your collection. Okay, we can monitor collection, and with this option we can schedule different kind of runs, but that we will come in the upcoming videos. We can run collection, so in the order of whatever the order we have given for the API, the collection will run. So let me add one more request to this. Okay, let us save this request to the test collection. It's already saved, I guess. Let's try something else. Okay, this is the post one. Save. This is saved again. Let us try to save this also. Okay, save. Okay, so now you can see here, as we have added 3 requests in a collection, if we want to change its order, we can just simply drag up and down and change the order here. Also we can manage the collections by adding folder to it, and we can segregate our request. We can form a workflows. So for login, if there are 3 APIs for login, then we can name this particular folder as a login folder. We can add if we have certain APIs for search, then we can create another folder here, add another folder. We can add a folder here and we can make it as a search. So in this way we can create flows which are more manageable, which are more understandable, and we can create a test suite also with this features. We have option to delete our collection also. We can delete it here from here. So if you click on this, this will get deleted. Okay, but you can restore this. Okay, with a free version of Postman, it will be kept in the trash for 1 day, and you can open trash from here, select which collection you want to restore and click on restore. Restore to which workspace, select your workspace and restore. See, maybe I think there is some issue with the internet, but it will restore. If your collection is more than 30 MB, then you will not have the option to restore it. So this is it about collection. Do try it yourself, try creating it, try copying, try different operations which you can do with the collections, and try the 4 things which we studied: add, manage and use with this collection, and group it and try to share it. You can also try from this, you can export your collection from here. See, it will get exported. Just click on export, it will export it in the JSON format here. You can import your collection, wherever you have saved you can import from here also. So try this out. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section.